Polling is underway for the by-elections in 15 assembly seats across Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala, and Uttarakhand, but not all of them are going peacefully. By-polls in Kateri, Karhal, Mirapur, Ghaziabad, Majhavan, Sisamau, Khair Phulpur, and Kundharki seats were underway when the Samajwadi Party claimed that in some places voters were being deterred by policemen posted at these police stations, though this charge was denied by Uttar Pradesh authorities. From Mirapur, some stone pelting was reported. This is the first electoral contest in the state after the Lok Sabha polls, in which the Samajwadi Party had a spectacular show, winning maximum seats as a single party. Samajwadi Party, a part of the India bloc, had swept out most of the current ruling NDA seats. However, the Congress is not contesting these by-polls and has lent its support to Samajwadi Party. The Bahujan Samaj Party is contesting on all 9 seats solo. Asaduddin Owaisi's All India Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin or AIMIM has fielded candidates from Ghaziabad, Kundharki and Mirapur, while Chandrasekhar Azad-led Azad Samaj Party Kashiram is contesting on all seats except Sisamau. While Akhilesh Yadav made his allegations, the Bharatiya Janata Party has urged Election Commission to properly check the identity of voters wearing burqa. In a letter addressed to Chief Electoral Officer of Uttar Pradesh, BJP's Akhilesh Kumar Avasthi said there have been past cases where burqa-clad women tried to cast votes multiple times. Quote, in fact, some men have also worn burqa and tried to vote. On many occasions, they have been stopped by poll officials. If the identity of burqa-clad women is not checked, fake voting will take place. Only proper checking will ensure fair and transparent voting, unquote, the BJP leader wrote in his letter. He added that an adequate number of women cops must be deployed at polling stations to ensure such security checks. But then the opposition Samajwadi Party flagged cases of cops checking voter ID cards. Party chief and Lok Sabha MP Akhilesh Yadav shared a video of 2 policemen asking voters' identity cards and sought the Election Commission's intervention. Quote, if the Election Commission exists, it must come alive and ensure that cops do not check IDs. Roads are not shut, IDs are not seized. Voters are not threatened, pace of voting is not slowed down, time is not wasted, and that the administration does not become a representative of the ruling party, unquote, he added. Soon after, Kanpur police responded to the post, saying that the officers concerned have been suspended. This happened after an election commission intervention. Mr. Yadav also said anyone who went home without voting after being stopped by cops must go back to cast their vote. Quote, now no irregularity will happen. If someone stops you, inform poll officials or party members there. Go fearlessly and make sure you vote.